I will show how to manage and add extensions to your Vivaldi browser. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open Vivaldi browser on your desktop. Click on the settings here and search for example extensions on the search bar. Tap in Extensions and head over to the Extensions tab. Click on Manage Extensions. So here you'll find all the extensions that are currently installed on your Vivaldi browser have McAfee Advisor. So, to add an extension, click on Chrome Web Store. This will open Chrome Web Store on your Vivaldi browser. Browse the extension that you want to install on your Vivaldi browser. Click on it and click on Add to Vivaldi to start using this extension inside your Vivaldi browser. Now, this is how to add extensions to your Vivaldi browser, guys. That's it, your work is done. If you found this guide helpful and easy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.